Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories half-sheet directory sign. We'll start off by selecting our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts tab we'll make sure that half-sheet is selected. From there, we'll go into the Print Information tab to see what dimensions we need to print this product. For more visual assistance, look at the videos on the left-hand side. When you're finished, hit OK. And now we'll click Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once your PDF has generated, make sure that everything is uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printing settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll type in the number of copies we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following options are selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and landscape. You'll want to make sure that the document size and paper size match in both width and height. From there, we'll go into the advanced properties. Below, we'll want to make sure that the document size and orientation match the options that we chose earlier. Below that, we'll choose the ink to be set for color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, which will always be thick 1. At this point, we can register our current settings, creating a one-click preset. To do so, name your preset here and click OK. Once you're finished, you'll now have a shortcut for future use. Once you're done, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.